Ever woken up to a failed print because your filament turned into a sponge overnight? Hygroscopic materials like nylon, PETG, and TPU start pulling moisture from the air within hours of opening the seal, and the damage shows up fast. Brittle strands, surface bubbles, and prints that fail halfway through. Here's what actually works in 2026. For most people, the best setup combines an active dry box for spools you're currently using with vacuum sealed bags and rechargeable desiccant for long-term storage. If you're in a humid climate above 60% relative humidity, or you print mostly with nylon and TPU, an active heating dry box like the EIBOS EASDRY pays for itself in saved prints. We tested it against the Sunlu FilaDryer with moisture-damaged nylon, and 6 hours at 55 degrees Celsius took prints from bubbly failures to clean, strong layers. For occasional printing, or if you mainly use PLA in dry climates, simple airtight containers with silica gel work fine and cost a fraction of active systems. The key is matching your solution to your materials and environment, not overbuying features you won't use. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.